Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video, we have learned about the GET request, how we can fetch data from a RESTful API by using Axios library. For implementing a POST request by using Axios library, we should have a knowledge of form handling in React. So in this video, we will learn how we can build a form using React, and in next video we will see how we can insert information in this form and we will post into the database by using RESTful POST API. For that we will use a library Axios. So in this video we are just talking about form handling. So just we say IMRC for declaring a component, for class component, and here we give the name form component like this. Here we should declare state variable, so we say SID, then I say name, then I say course like this. Save it. Now what we do, we will design here a form. For that we take a div tag first of all, or under this div tag we may have a form tag like this. Under this form tag we design like label and we enter here student ID like this. Now we take input type equal to, we say text. Now we can give name, we say SID. Once again we take label and here we should give student name. Then again we have input type equal to text, name equal to name. Then we have label student course, then we have input type equal to text and we give name course. Then after this we should have a submit button also, so we say button type equal to submit and we just give here save information like this. So we save this and I already added this component here in app component. So if we try to see this, we will have like this student ID, then we have name, then we have this, then we have all we have in a single line. So we can give position here like we may have a BR tag like this. Now after all we should put BR tag, save this and you will see that this type of information we have. Now what we do, we just put here after div h2 and we say insert student information like this. and we try to see this. You see, now we can give some bootstrap classes also if we want. So for div tag we can pass here that class name equal to basis bg primary, like this. Save this, and you will see that we have this kind of design. We can give margin also, or M5. So we have M5 here, but we can give MY5. Try to give this. Yeah, it is working. Now we give some size also to these component. We can give size. So I say here in the form, I say class name equal to, and I say here that it would be the call 8. Try to give call 8. So what I should give, I need to give all the classes here individually to text box. All text box I need to give size equal to call 8, or we can say call 10. You see, we have the size here. We can decrease to call 8. Similarly, I can give this to label this one also, and this one also. Save this, and we may have this some gap in button also. So we say copy and paste here. Save this. So we have some gap here, and we may have a gap after all text also. So in each and every label we should have a gap of 2 line, like this. Then we have gap of 2 line like this. Then we should give size also. So I can give here class name equal to, I say text start, and I say fs4. Try to give size also. Size is little bit big, so I can give ss6. So we have this, and the starting of and we may have here text center, like this. So we need to put into this, like this. Then I have to give the class to the label also. So I try to give here class to label, and I say text start. Text start is not working, so I should give div tag here, and under this div tag I will put this label. Then to this label I will give the size to this label. We have this one, and we can give margin from x to 6, 6 to 5. You see, or we can give like that. We can give all these type of thing for student name also. So I just copy paste and I say student name. I just copy paste and I say student course. Save this, and you see we have such kind of information like this. Now we can design, we can remove line break also, this line break, and after that we have this line break, and after that we have this line break. Save this, and if we have like this, we may have student ID, and we can give some more information here, and we can give some designing to button also. So I say here class name, and we can say btn, we can say danger like this, and we can say btn small like this. So we have this information, save information like this. Now what I do, I try to write something here. You see I'm writing here, but like this React does not work. For that we need some value to be displayed. So what I do, I say after this form I want to display information down here, and what I do, I say h2, and I say I need to put this under this curly bracket expression tag. I need to call JSON dot stringify, and here that I want to display this dot state, that I want to display here, remember. And if you see that we have a state variable, all are empty, and you see all this information is coming here. So I say this to h4 like this. So we have this value. If I try to insert something here, you see I am not getting any kind of value here, but I need value here. Then I can send this value to the post API or RESTful API, otherwise I can't send. So how I can do this? For that, you see, for that what I do, for text box I need to give here two property for React. First is value. In this value I need to pass this dot state dot sid. For that I can take disk structures also, advantage of this. So I can say constant, and I say sid, I say name, I say course, then I say this dot state, remember, and here I can pass SID like this. Then I need to pass an event on change. In this event I need to pass a method that will handle it. So I say this dot set SID, remember I'm using this. In similar way I need to use two property, one as an event and one as a value. So I just paste here, and here I say name, and here I say set name. I save this. Similarly I need to put here also save, and I give here course, and here I say set course. Save this. So now I need to handle these method. So after this what I do, I say set SID equal to arrow function, and here I say this dot set state, and in this state function I need to set the value of SID. So here I need to set, in this function I need to pass event also, and here I need to set event dot target dot value, event dot target dot value, like this. In similar way I need to create two more method, set name, and here in place of this I need to pass name. Then I need to create more method, course, set course, and here I need to pass course. Save this. Now if you will see, if I type here ID, you see I have a ID value. If I pass here Dr. Vipin classes, this value is also coming. If I pass here PhD, that is also coming. So I have the information at runtime. So whenever I will click on this button will call REST API URL request, and by this we will post the information to the server. So in this video we understand how we can design this layout, how we can design the form for this. In similar way as we have designed this label, text field, we may have other options also, like we may have a radio button and checkbox. But if you want to design some other advanced level of form, you can also design like this as I try to design here. So if you want to use a select option, then you need to use a select also here as a state variable. If you want to use gender also, then you can use one more field here, gender. Means each and every component in React need two properties, that is a must to use. First is value, there you have to pass the state variable, and second is the on change event, by which we just modify the value of this by using set state function of these state variables. These are two basic requirement for form designing in React. If we do not use this, then we cannot fetch the information from these controls to our application. Here I need only three informations, ID, name and course. That's why I'm designing this. If you require some other type of option, then selection box, and then combo box, text box, password field, or some other field you require, you may design like this, and you need the same value and the on change event for other type of component also. That's all in this video. In next video we are going to learn how we can save this information to the server by using post RESTful API. I think you learned something from this video. If you do, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.